In this video, we'll walk you through how to sign up as an EV driver. The same process applies if you're signing up as a host. Before we begin, make sure your device is charged and connected to the internet. To get started, on the app's login screen, tap the "Don't have an account yet?" button. You'll be redirected to the account creation page. Start by filling in your details, your email address, first and last name, phone number, and date of birth. Towards the end of the form, you'll see the option to choose between creating a host account or an EV driver account. In this case, we're signing up as an EV driver, so we'll toggle the button off. Then, create your password to complete the form. Once you've submitted the form, a verification email will be sent to the address you signed up with. Be sure to check your inbox and click the link to verify your account. After verifying, you can log in with your new account. That's it. You've created your EV driver account. Before you start making bookings, it's important to select your EV car brand in your account settings. This helps the app estimate how long your charging session will take based on your selected battery top-up percentage. That's all. Download the app and start booking today.